Dr. Lindsey here. This is a 1-year follow-up, actually 13-month follow-up on a 40-ish-year-old Indian fellow who has great hair to work with, and we did 3,050 grafts on him. So here he is before. He's got decent hair to work with, and he's diffusely thinning throughout the whole top of his head. And so we came up with a plan to really do the whole front of his head, and at some point he may need to do a second case. And so here he is at the end of 3,000 grafts. He came daily for cleaning. Here he is at day 6. Here he is at a month when it's shed and a close-up of his scar. And then here he is at 6 months, and with that lack of color contrast, meaning brown skin and dark hair and good hair on top of that, shoot, he looks like he's 9 or 10 months out, and he looks fantastic. And then here he is at 13 months. Here's a close-up of his scar. Hard to find. I tried to get him to do an interview. He did not want to do an interview, but let me use his pictures to show these results. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.